Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we learned that Microsoft is interested in adding features to Windows 10 again. So this also comes with the announcement that we have learned that at some point in the beta and the insider channels, there is the beta channel that might be coming back. So if you're a Windows Insider, this means that you could see a beta channel for testing new features. I would guess maybe not that far off. Release preview is the only one right now. So they are going to center the taskbar. Yes, not like in Windows 11, because I think that would make Windows 10 users a little angry, but more like Windows 10 with a twist. And this is what it would look like. So you would have a start menu on the left side, like usual in Windows 10, but the main icons of the different apps would be centered. And that is kind of logical because it means less distance most of the time for us to go here than if, say, we're here to go over there to get those same icons. So it's not a bad idea. I think that could be nice. So, of course, the fact that Windows 10 has a proper taskbar, they can just tweak it rather than create something new, like in Windows 11, where, the customization is not there. So this is coming, apparently, to Windows 10, a new centered taskbar for your app icons. So this is going to be released at some point. We don't know when, but this means that the development of Windows 10 is now back on track with features, and that would also, show us that they are going to give us that extension of 3 years. So I guess they're saying, hey, why not give new features if we're to extend 3 more years of Windows 10? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.